Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Alright, in this particular video we are going to be diving into a strategy that simplifies swing trading and helps you make better decisions with less noise. Okay, so specifically we are going to be looking at the Heikin Ashi chart. Alright, if you are tired of getting caught up in market fluctuations or struggling to spot trends, then this video is for you, okay? By the end, you'll understand how to use Heikin Ashi for smoother, clearer trading setups. So stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe for more trading strategies that work. All right, first of all, let us talk about what Heikin Ashi is. Now, unlike traditional candlesticks, which show precise price movements, Heikin Ashi focuses on smoothing out trends by averaging data. So I'm going to be adding the Heikin Ashi indicator to the chart right away. And we can see this is how it looks like. All right, this is what we call the Heikin Ashi indicator. All right, this is the Heikin Ashi indicator. All right. Now, as we can see, the structure of the candlesticks has changed after adding the Heikin Ashi to the chart. All right. Now, Heikin Ashi focuses on smoothing out trends by averaging data. Each candle is calculated differently to provide a more consistent visual representation of the market's overall direction. All right. Now, you will notice how the candles do not jump around as much as traditional ones. Right? We can see that. This eliminates a lot of market noise, helping you to focus on the big picture instead of getting distracted by minor fluctuations. All right. So swing trading relies on identifying trends and trading within them. So the smoother appearance of Heikin Ashi candles make it easier to spot these trends. For instance, an extended series of red candles, as we can see here, signifies a downtrend, right? You can see how you hardly find a blue candle in this downtrend. They only appeared a few times, right? They only appeared a few times because the trend is a bearish trend. So the Heikin Ashi maintained mostly red candles. Just on some serious pullbacks will you find the appearance of inconsistent blue candles. All right. Then in the case of a buy trend, you'll find that you have the blue candles mostly dominating. Okay, like in this scenario and in this scenario. All right. Now, because we are talking about swing trading, so we want to capture longer term price movements, right? Unlike scalping. And the smoother appearance of the Heikin Ashi candles, make it easier for us to capture these longer term price movements. Okay, this clarity helps you identify when to enter or exit your trades with less second guessing. Plus, it works across various time frames, whether you are trading forex, stocks, or commodities. Now, let us walk through a simple Heikin Ashi swing trading strategy. All right. The first step is to identify the trend. That is your first step. So, for example, this is a bullish trend, right? This is a bullish trend. This is a bearish trend, right? So the first step is identify the trend. After you've identified the trend direction, when you see several consecutive blue candles in the case of a buy trend, or several consecutive red candles in the case of a sell trend, with no lower wicks, that is for the buy, or no upper wicks or very low upper wicks for the sell, then you have confirmed that direction, right? For a buy trade, when you notice the formation of blue candles and you have little or no lower wicks, then that trend is confirmed. For a sell, when you notice the formation of consecutive red candles with little or no upper wicks, then you know that the sell trend has been confirmed. All right. Then the second step is to wait for a pullback. Okay. So even in a strong trend, the market will always pull back. All right. The market will always pull back. It will occasionally reverse slightly. So use these pullbacks as potential entry points. For example, as the market pulled back here, this would have been a good opportunity to enter a buy. Right. As the market pulled back here, right, this should have been an opportunity to enter a sell. Okay, remember, patience is key here. All right. Now, let us look at this uptrend. Let us look at this other example. Look at this uptrend in this 1 hour chart. Right. You will notice pullbacks forming around this support level. Right. This trend line is acting as a dynamic support. So you see how you will notice how the pullbacks are forming around this support level. So these are buying opportunities. These are potential buying opportunities. When you enter a buy, you set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and for your take profit, you can make use of resistance zones. Okay, please make sure to plot your resistance and support zones on your chart, because those are going to give you signals to exit your trades. And remember, you can also use other indicators to confirm your entries and your exits. Okay, it's very important. Now, a few tips to maximize your success. First, always combine Heikin Ashi with other tools like moving averages or RSI. So for our confirmations, we're going to be using RSI and the moving average. Okay, for example, when you have a buy signal, you can confirm with the moving average and confirm with the RSI. When you have a sell signal, you do same, right? For example, in this situation, we had the price bounce off the support, right, from the trend line. At the same time, the moving average confirmed that support, confirmed that bullish move, right, bullish continuation. And you can see here that RSI was also trending upwards, not yet in overbought territory, so it confirmed that there was bullish momentum. Okay, so it's important to get your confirmations right. And then secondly, avoid trading during low volume periods where candles might not reflect true price action. Okay, and lastly, remember that no strategy is foolproof, so always manage your risk. Okay, it is very, very necessary. So that is it for this video. All right, this is the video for swing trading with Heikin Ashi. All right, this simple strategy can make a huge difference in your trading approach by reducing noise and clarifying trends. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more actionable trading tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.